don't happen again. Oh, e don't burst. Everywhere don't scatter. No be small matter, my people. Table don't shake, oh, my people. Mathias Ezeaku don't burst come out again, my people. No be small something. He said the rate when some of all these Africa pastor they do miracle, they perform, say the thing too much, oh, my people. No be small thing. Na so he can't call one pastor come out. He can say this pastor say na fakey na he dey do. My people, no be small something. May you no come be say I too talk, I go leave una more na for here where for drag this pastor come out. This daddy G, na popular daddy G, my people. No be say I dey fear, or no be say I dey fear to call you lame. May you no come be say I too talk. I go leave una more na for watch the full video.
Yo, this message is for one of the greatest fake pastor in Nigeria called Jeremiah Omoto Fufeyin. Is one of the greatest fake pastor with a strong heart in the whole West Africa, in the whole Black Africa. So this message is for him. And I want to use this opportunity to tell him, to warn him, to stop killing the poor who are believing that the criminal activities he is performing in the name of miracle every day that he claims to gather people in the name of adoration or prayer ground in their mercy land, that he should stop to use those people who are not sick, those people who got an accident, who can gradually walk, but when they will brought the person with a wheelchair, they will claim to the public that the person has not been walking. Now, when the person start to step small now, that means Jeremiah will be claiming that his juice and power has made the person to walk. So those who has real sickness are watching, and they are coming to the mercy land, believing that one day their breast cancer will disappear, believing that one day the cancer sickness they are battling with will disappear, believing that one day the kidney failure that they have will disappear, believing that one day the hole in the heart that their children has will disappear, believing that one day the hepatitis C that they have, killing them now that they will disappear. And all these people that had all this real sickness I mentioned, they are dying in daily basis. Why trusting the God of Nigeria criminal pastors in daily basis? Why am I saying this? Just look at Jeremiah Fufeyin is one of the most fake pastors in Nigeria who are performing miracle every week. In weekly basis, in any of his program, there must be thousands of healing, fake healing. A lot of disabled ones will walk. A lot of crippled person will walk. I remember one of the program he did that he used rope to tie people's eyes and claimed that those people he tied their eyes with rope, that they are all blind. And when he was losing the rope, when he lose your own, then the person will start shouting, I can see, I can see. I have not been seeing since I was born. You know, but today I can see. So those things are fraud. Now when it comes to the celebrities in Nigeria, Jeremiah Fufeyin, your Jesus and healing will run away. Now it will now turn to cash presentation, just to promote your evil criminal activities you are displaying before Nigerians, because we don't have good government. Because if you see that we have good government like the Canada, United States, Europeans, whereby when someone is sick, you will just call the ambulance, they will come and pick you in your house and give you free medical attention. Nobody will be listening to Nigeria pastors. If you see that we have companies, where this phone you are watching me from, where this clothes you are putting on, that I myself is putting on as well, where it can be produced in our communities. If you see that we have such industry, where the television we have in our house, everything made for man to use on this planet Earth, including the car we all drives. If we have where those spare parts, all those things will be produced in our villages, it is going to eradicate poverty in our land and give millions of people job opportunities. And nobody will ever have time to listen to all these criminals in Nigeria. Now, Jeremiah Fufeyin, all Nigerian celebrities who fell are sick, you have been giving them cash. You have never tried to cure anyone, but you are curing poor people every day. You are curing the poor people, those we don't know their name. You are curing them. You are healing them in daily basis, as you can see it here. You are curing them. But all the Nigerian celebrities, even the other actor that have died, you gave, I think, 6 million naira, whatever, with a car. The guy later died. The only way you can be cured is through doctors and nurses, whether you like it or not. If you have anybody that has kidney failure, liver failure, cancer of the blood, the cancer that has become malignant, or breast cancer, those women now that has breast lump, you don't want to go and remove it. You are praying for healing so that breast lump will just disappear. Now, when it enters cancer and it leads to cut one of your breasts, believe me, if you see that the cancer has become malignant, it's going to lead you to your 6 feet. Nobody cures it. Now, Jeremiah, for you, when it comes to the celebrities, you give them cash. But when it comes to those poor people that your script writers are bringing for you, now you will not cure them. Crime against humanity is very bad. Nigeria churches has misled my people. Nigeria churches has committed people that are believing in all these reverend fathers, pastors, in the name of healing, dying in daily basis in our land, even in my office. There are millions. When I raised an alarm during the time of TB Joshua, I made a video, even before, when he was still alive, even when he died, when I made a video, and I keep on shouting, provide any crippled person, any blind person in your village, or anywhere village, mumu man that want to comment rubbish. Don't you have village where you came from? Provide any crippled person from that your village that Nigerian pastors, reverend fathers, or native doctor has prayed for. The person became healed. I am going to give you 1 million naira with 1 plot of land. I am talking out of experience. My foundation have cured more than 5,000 sick people, and they are alive today. Practically with the normal solution made to treat everybody on this planet Earth, whether you are Muslim, whether you are a native doctor, whether you are a Christian, whether you are a pagan. Sickness don't respect religion. What sickness respects is what? Medication. Being you a native doctor, believe me, if your BP rises up today and you don't visit the medical doctor, you will die today and will be forgotten. Nigeria should open your eyes. No obscure sickness. All I'm fighting for is that you will have the same good life